Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set only me featured photos in Facebook. This can be done by adjusting the privacy settings for each album or photo. While you can't complete private photos you're tagged in, you can hide them from appearing on your profile. To do this, open the Facebook app. Navigate to your profile. Tap the three dots in the bottom or top right, and then tap your name. Now, tap Photos. You may need to scroll down to find this photo, this option, and then tap Albums. If you want to change the privacy settings for a single photo, tap Uploads instead. Then, select an album. If you're changing the privacy settings for a single photo, tap a photo. And make sure that your selected photo is one that you uploaded, not just one in which you're tagged. You can't adjust the privacy options for photos that aren't yours. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up menu. Then, tap Edit. A new page will open. If you're changing the privacy settings for a single photo, tap Edit Post Audience instead. Now, select the current privacy settings. This may be set to friends or public. Select Only Me. With this privacy setting, only you will be able to view the album or photo. Next, tap Done and then Save. Your new privacy settings will be saved. To change who can see your tag photos, optional. If you don't want other users to see the posts you've been tagged, do the following. Tap the three lines, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, and tap Profile and Tagging. Now, tap Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. You can set the audience as Only Me. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.